Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, driving through peaceful streets lined with beautiful homes, and enjoying the perfect blend of luxury and community. That's the life in Anaheim Hills, a place many consider the jewel of Anaheim. But what makes this hillside haven so special? In this video, we'll explore all the incredible aspects of Anaheim Hills, from its stunning scenery and top-rated schools to its strong sense of community. Whether you're looking for your next home or you're just curious about this hidden gem, stick around, because this could be the place you've been dreaming of. Anaheim Hills offers some of the most stunning landscapes in Orange County, nestled on the foothills of Santa Ana Mountains. This area is known for its rolling hills, lush greenery, and panoramic views. On clear days, you can see as far as the Pacific Ocean and the sparkling city lights of Orange County. It's a place where nature feels like an extension of your backyard. The sunsets here are worth mentioning too. There's nothing like ending your day with the vibrant display of orange, pink, and purple hues lighting up the skies as you relax on your patio or balcony. Residents often say that the views alone make Anaheim Hills worth calling home. For nature lovers, there's no shortage of outdoor activities. The area is home to several parks and hiking trails, including the popular Weir Canyon Regional Park and Oak Canyon Nature Center. These natural escapes offer miles of trails for hiking, biking, and even horseback riding. Whether you're an avid adventurer or just looking for a peaceful walk in the fresh air, Anaheim Hills delivers. Beyond the trails, the community is dotted with beautifully maintained parks that are perfect for picnics, family gatherings, or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon. These green spaces make Anaheim Hills feel like a retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Families with children often prioritize education when choosing a place to live, and Anaheim Hills doesn't disappoint. The area is served by the Orange Unified School District, which is home to some of the best schools in the region. Schools like Running Springs Elementary, El Rancho Charter School, and Canyon High School have consistently high rankings and are known for the strong academic programs and dedicated teachers. These schools also offer a wide range of extracurricular activities, from sports and arts to advanced placement programs, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to thrive. Parents often praise the schools for their commitment to both fostering academic and personal growth, giving kids the tools they need to succeed. What's more, the community is deeply invested in supporting its schools. Local businesses, parents, and residents frequently come together to host fundraisers and events that benefit students and teachers. This collective effort not only enhances the quality of education, but also strengthens the sense of community. For families, knowing that their children receive top-notch education is one of the biggest draws to Anaheim Hills. One of the standout features of Anaheim Hills is its reputation for safety. The area consistently ranks as one of the safest communities in Orange County, making it an ideal place for families, retirees, and professionals alike. The neighborhoods are quiet, well-maintained, and full of charm. You'll find tree-lined streets, spacious yards, and a mix of modern and traditional homes that add to the area's appeal. It's kind of a place where kids can play outside, neighbors greet each other warmly, and you can truly feel at ease. Many residents describe Anaheim Hills as having a small town feel, despite its proximity to larger cities. This sense of peace and security is a major reason why so many people choose to call it home. If you're looking for luxury, Anaheim Hills has plenty to offer. The homes here range from elegant single-family residences to sprawling estates, many of which feature amenities like private pools, outdoor kitchens, and stunning views. Whether you're looking for a cozy home for your family or a high-end property with all the bells and whistles, you'll find something to love here. Beyond the homes, Anaheim Hills is known for its upscale amenities. The Anaheim Hills Festival Shopping Center is a hub for activity, offering a mix of retail stores, restaurants, and entertainment options. From some boutique shops to popular brands, there's something for everyone. Food lovers will appreciate the diverse dining scene. Whether you're in the mood for fine dining, casual cafes, or international cuisine, Anaheim Hills delivers. Popular local spots like Reunion Kitchen and The Hive are just a few examples of the area's culinary gems. For golf enthusiasts, the Anaheim Hills Golf Course is a must visit. This picturesque course is surrounded by mature trees, rolling hills, and providing a serene setting for both seasoned players and beginners. It's not just about golf though. The clubhouse also hosts events, and it's a great spot to enjoy a meal or drinks with friends. One of the biggest perks of living in Anaheim Hills is the convenient location. Despite its tranquil, tucked away feel, the area is just minutes away from major attractions and amenities. Disneyland, Angel Stadium, and the Honda Center are all a short drive, offering world-class entertainment and events. For families, this means easy access to one of the most magical places on earth. And for sports fans, it's a chance to cheer on your favorite team. If you're craving a beach day, you can be on the sand in less than an hour. And for those who love exploring Southern California hills, perfectly positioned for day trips to Los Angeles, San Diego, or the mountains. This balance of serenity and accessibility is one of the reasons why Anaheim Hills is such a desirable place to live. What truly sets Anaheim Hills apart is its strong sense of community. Residents here take pride in their neighborhood and often describe it as a place where people look out for one another. Community events play a big role in bringing people together. From holiday celebrations to local charity drives, there are plenty of opportunities to connect with neighbors and get involved. This sense of belonging is one of the reasons why many people choose to stay in Anaheim Hills for the long term. For families, this community feel is invaluable. It's not just about having friendly neighbors, it's about being part of a network of people who share similar values and priorities. Anaheim Hills offers a unique blend of suburban luxury and rural charm. The area features an extensive network of horse trails and an equestrian facility, making it a haven for horse enthusiasts. This focus on outdoor living extends beyond horseback riding. With its wide open spaces, scenic parks, and family-friendly recreation areas, Anaheim Hills is designed for those who love spending time outside. So, is Anaheim Hills the jewel of Anaheim? For those who value stunning views, top-rated schools, and a safe and welcoming community and an upscale lifestyle, the answer is a resounding yes. Anaheim Hills combines the best of nature, luxury, and convenience to create a community that's truly special. Whether you're raising a family, looking for a peaceful retreat, or simply seeking high-quality lifestyle, this hillside haven has it all. If you're considering making Anaheim Hills your home, you're not just choosing a place to live, you're choosing a lifestyle, one filled with beauty, opportunity, and a strong sense of community. What do you think? Could Anaheim Hills be your dream destination? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the OC Uncovered for more insights into the life in Orange County. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.